Hi, it's Kev Randall, continuing the OCR June 2007 core 1 paper. This is question 6, and it's based on the section and the specification which says equations which reduce to a quadratic. So this is one of those types of questions where we have to do a substitution before we can solve a quadratic. In this case, the substitution is given. So we've got, by using the substitution here, y equals x plus 2 all squared, find the real roots of that equation. Well, if y equals x plus 2 all squared, we can say that x plus 2 to the power 4, which is what we've got here, is y squared. And x plus 2 squared is y. So we can rewrite that equation as y squared plus 5y minus 6 equals 0. So we've used that substitution to reason that if y equals x plus 2 all squared, then x plus 2 all squared, which is y squared, is x plus 2 to the 4. And then we've got 5 times y, which is x plus 2 all squared, minus 6 equals 0. Now you'll find in actual exam questions of this type that generally this will factorise. So if we try and factorise that, we put a y in there and a y in there. Now we're looking at factors of minus 6 that add together to give us plus 5. This is minus 6, one's going to be positive and one's going to be negative. Because this is a plus 5 there, then we're going to get y plus 6 times y minus 1 equals 0. And if y plus 6 times y minus 1 is 0, then either y equals minus 6 or y equals 1. Now we know for our substitution that y equals x plus 2 all squared, which leads us to x plus 2 is the square root of y. So if x plus 2 is the square root of y, we can say straight away if y equals minus 6, then x plus 2 equals a square root of minus 6, which we can't have. So it must be this root here, must be that value of y. So we can say x plus 2 equals root 1. So x plus 2 equals plus or minus 1, which gives us x equals minus 1 for one root, and x equals minus 3 for another root. There's a nice 6 marks for that. For getting that correct, you get a good 6 marks. So this is straightforward. When they give you the substitution, we make the substitution for the y, square that to get our value of x plus 2 to the 4, solve the quadratic for y as normal. As I say, they'll almost always factorise, so it's an easy solution. Discard the negative root because we're going to find the square root of it, and then substitute to get the values of x. So that's question 6. Thanks for watching. Look out for the rest of the paper.